Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Excel and create a new workbook with a descriptive file name today. Set up one sheet per tracking category to keep data organized. Label columns for date, item, category, quantity, unit price, and total. Use a consistent date format like YIMMDD for sorting and filtering. Freeze the header row and apply table formatting for easy filtering. Name your table range to reference it in formulas across sheets. Save the workbook to cloud storage for version history and remote access. Reopen and review the setup weekly to ensure consistent data entry. Enter data consistently and avoid merging cells in data tables. Use data validation for drop-down lists and numeric limits like minimum 0. Apply conditional formatting to highlight duplicates, thresholds, or overdue dates automatically. Calculate totals with SUM, averages with average, and counts with countif functions. Use structured references when your data is formatted as an Excel table for clarity. Build running totals using a simple cumulative SUM formula and absolute references. Save a backup copy before major changes and document formula logic in a notes sheet. Create pivot tables to summarize data quickly by category, date, or user. Group dates by month or quarter inside the pivot table for trend analysis. Add slicers and timelines for interactive filtering during presentations and stakeholder reviews. Visualize results with line, bar, and combo charts using clean axis labels. Automate refresh and scheduled exports with Power Query and macros when needed. Protect sensitive sheets with passwords and share read-only links for external users. Review key metrics weekly and archive older rows once reports are finalized.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.